Today we're going to bring an iPad holder. This is a actual protector to protect your iPad, but it has a hidden gem in here, and I'm going to show you guys the hidden gem. Which this is it right here. It's your key. It's a keyboard. It's a Bluetooth keyboard. I have my iPad in here, and it's magnetic. This part's magnetic here. It's perfect for your camera here. You guys can see that. So the way it works, if you guys, it has room for your pen too, so you don't have to worry about it. Could hold your pen in here. But this actually magnetizes in the back. You guys see your camera is not blocked or any kind of way. You're able to just slide it back, and you see the indentation here. That's where you're actually going to do it right there. Just put it there. If you guys notice, the keyboard, it's a Mac keyboard, right? There's an option and function keys that you have. They're just a little hidden. If you guys can see, everything in red is going to be the function key. That's where you have it, right? So we're going to go ahead and test out the actual keyboard. But first, we're going to go ahead and connect to the keyboard. So before I let you know, you charge on this side right here, and there's a power and on and off. It's a Type C, and it's very slim, very compact. So you go even add your own mouse if you want to play as a computer. So we're going to turn it on right now, and you're going to see the lights right here fully charged. It's going to look for Bluetooth. If you don't see it coming up, hold the function and the delete button, and then it has to be rapidly blinking like that. If you guys can see the little light, and then what you want to do is, you see where it says the keyboard, it's right here in the bottom. All right, so we're going to go keyboard, it's going to connect, pair, yes, and we're going to go ahead and go out here so you can see it working. All right, and that's me typing in. I'm going to go ahead and erase everything, delete, and it's very quiet, very simple typing away. Now you can use this for Word journals, pretty much your papers, your student. If you're a student, this is a perfect way. If you don't can't afford a large laptop or anything, and this will be another option, just to buy the keyboard and add it to your existing iPad that you have. You probably have an iPad that has potential to carry this keyboard, and then, of course, they make it for different types of iPads too. But when I first saw this, I was like, okay, I was in love with it because look how slim it is. All right, all together, it's like the regular cover. You have option for your camera. If you guys can see the camera, option for a camera, very slim. Let's do a keyboard noise test. .6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.